Last time I went over the repair system and buying blueprints. This time there's actually a world for that stuff to live in. Maps in, plot gunning works, and I finally built something that I could not get working in the first game. So here's the map right now. 4 open plots around the shop. Honestly, it just feels kind of empty and lifeless to me, which is the main reason I actually want to redesign it. I might change the layout too, but I don't have any concrete ideas quite yet, so don't get attached to this version. And I also brought back the statues from the first game into this one, just because why not? Claiming a plot's basically instant. You join, click the arrows to flip through whatever is open, hit select, done. There's not much that's going on with it right now, but I do plan on adding some save slots, but I'm holding on any data saving or loading until everything else is set up first. Okay, this is the part I actually want to talk about. The demo right now, not even in the real game, but core of it works. Walls, floors, flat roofs, doors, windows, and this table I've just been using to test stuff. You can rotate everything in 45-degree steps, paint it, delete it, move it, and copy items, which I did not plan on adding originally, but it just felt like it. Here's the thing though, in Repair Eyes 1, I tried to build this exact system, and I could not get walls, doors, roofs, any of the structure items to actually place right. Didn't matter what I tried, didn't matter how much AI threw at me, never cracked it. So that game just ended up with furniture placement and nothing else. This time I leaned on AI way harder than I normally do, specifically for this. And the whole thing came together in about 2 days. 2 days for the exact problem that beat me for weeks the last. It's still not done. Still gotta lock in the actual item list, get it working on mobile, and hook it into the real game instead of a test scene. But the hard part, the part that actually broke me before, is done. That's where things are at right now. Next up is getting all this actually working in the real game. Subscribe if you want to see how it turns out, and let me know in the comments what you think so far. See you later.